This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Energy on the truck, boy.
Not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system.
Alright, welcome everybody. This is DDT, a new channel that will speak about a variety of things. So I'm hoping you guys can join me as I share my views on some deep thinking issues, current affairs, daily news, hot topics, influencers. I'll also be looking at some frequently asked questions, giving my music reviews, sporting news reviews as well, and of course happenings both natural and otherwise. I will also share my knowledge about history as it unfolds or how it happened in time gone by. So please remember to like, share, and of course subscribe. Welcome to the family, and you can definitely look out every week for something new. So guys, big up yourself, and again, thanks for joining the family.